Hello friends, this is how to access your office PC from your home PC using Teamviewer. Step 1, open Teamviewer. You can click on here once or click on here twice. Okay. Step 2, it may look like this. If it looks like that, then click on this. That's what you should see there. Step 3, double click on your computer. So let me move this around. Oh, let's see. So I can see. I can change the size of it, right? Okay. Step 4. You click with your mouse and then click your password in there. Then hit enter. Okay, this is what's open in your desktop because I can minimize. And that's something else that's open. I can minimize. Minimize again. There's a lot of things open, right? That proves that it's your desktop at the office. This down here is your desktop at home, and this in here is your desktop in the office, right? But you have another monitor on the other side. It should show up here, but it doesn't, so you have to go like this. Here it is. See this? Up here, there's an icon that looks like two monitors, so you click on and select, okay, show all monitors. Oh, that's one way of looking at it. Or instead, or is the way it was first time. That's, I'm gonna, instead of show all monitors, I'm gonna select monitor 2. Okay, so what that did is it put monitor 2 on top of monitor 1, so you can slide it over here. So there you have it. The way you have it in the office, with one monitor showing what's on the, you know what I mean. Okay, so that's monitor 1 and monitor 2. I think monitor 2 is the primary monitor. Let's see. It's got all these icons here and the time. Let's see, check this monitor. Oh, it's kind of. How's your exercise going? See? Get tough. Willpower. Make it work. Okay, so this side doesn't have those little icons there. This one does. So this is your primary monitor. Sorry, out of focus. Okay. Come on, get in focus. So I tried to have the same icons that are at your office PC, have them on your home PC. Sometimes you may have to check this if you want to do some special key combinations. You have to check in here. Now, how do you close this? Let's see. You could close it up here, I think. But it's probably better to close it here. That X disconnects. Let's see what else is there. Maybe you might be able to print to the office. Yeah, remote printing. What happens when you remote print? Well, I'm not sure how you remote print. Oh, you just select remote printing, and whatever you print here will get printed at the office, right? I haven't tried it before, but that's it for now. Let's see how it looks. I hope you found this useful. I'm going to disconnect from the office PC right here in the X. Oh, I didn't disconnect from that one though, so I have to disconnect here too. I'm gonna try it again. So I'm gonna sign in. I click to sign in. Sometimes it looks blurry. Okay, then I'm going. There's no monitor over there, so I go up. I go in here and select monitor 2, and it pops up on top of monitor 1, but I want to move it over to this side. And now I'm gonna see what happens if I shut down from this X. Alright, that one's still up. So it's kind of the same thing, isn't it? It's blurry. I can't get in focus. Focus. Come on, camera, focus. Okay. So when I close out my monitors, then this comes back up in case you want to log back in. Well, I can leave this up. But if you close this, if you close this and this, it says that Teamviewer is still running, and it's hidden right here, right in there. See, right there. There's Teamviewer. But you have to right click on it and say show Teamviewer. That's kind of annoying. Let's see. I'm going to close it again. I want to use this. Okay, that works. So you don't have to go in there. Just double click on the icon. And then if it stays like that, then you click there on this one that says computers and contacts. Then you double click on your computer and you're in. You just have to sign in. Right there. And I hit a keystroke, usually up arrow, and then I can type in that password. Then I'm in. And then go up here, pull up the other monitor 2. It's on top. Then slide it over here. Okay.